Tell Boogie Boogie you're sorry.
I remember.
Why do you need your phone back, Booger? Why?
I want phone.
Why? You ain't got no boyfriend?
I want a phone.
You ain't got no business doing with the phone. Why you throw it? Why'd you throw it?
Look, my phone.
Why you throw your phone?
My phone from my birthday computer.
Why'd you throw it? Why did you throw it? I know you throw it at his computer, but why?
Phone.
Are you gonna tell him sorry?
No.
No.
Myself.
Ooh. You ain't gonna tell Boogie Boogie sorry?
No.
Why not?
No.
Tell him you're sorry, Mama.
Phone.
Tell Boogie Boogie you're sorry and you can get your phone back.
Phone.
Why not?
I'm a phone.
Why? Tell him you're sorry and you get it back. She thinks she's slick. Tell him you're sorry and you can get it back.
I'm on my phone.
Alright then, that's on you.